Hello students, just have a look at the question paper of last year for MA second semester. Okay, and the very first paper, Restoration to 1798. Maximum marks, as you know, will be only 50. So there will be three sections, section A, section B and section C. Section A will consist very short answer questions, section B will consist short answer type questions and section C will be based on long type questions. So what kind of questions have been asked last year? In this section, very short answer, you have to answer to only 5 questions in this section and each question will carry only 2 marks. So the very first section will give you in total 10 marks. Okay, the very first question, first of all just look at here, attempt all the 5 questions. All the 5 questions, each question carries 2 marks. Very short answer is required. Very short, why? Because it will provide you only 2 marks. So you have not to answer in detail, not exceeding 75 words. The very first question is here, name some of the dramatists. Okay, some of the dramatists, because this paper is of restoration to 1798. So you have to go through the period of restoration to answer to this section. Some of the dramatists in whose plays most common features of which period? Of restoration comedy are manifested. So in this question you have to name some of the dramatists of restoration comedy. Second one is, what do you understand by neoclassical age? Okay, what is neoclassical age? In brief you have to answer to this question. Third one is, name important prose writers. Important prose writers of restoration period. This is why that I am asking you to go through this period, because the whole paper will be based on it. Then fourth one is, what are the main features of British Enlightenment? Okay, British Enlightenment. The last one is, who were important poets of neoclassical age? Here in the last one question you have to name some important poets, means famous poets. Okay, well known poets. For example, Alexander Pope. Neoclassical age. In this section you will be given no option, means you will be given only 5 questions to answer and you have to answer to all. Then the next section is section B, short answer questions. In this you will be given an option, means you will be given here 3 questions and you have to answer to only 2 questions here. Attempt any 2 question out of 3 and each question will carry how many marks? Only 5 marks. Short answer is required, not exceeding 200 words. So it will give you 5 marks and the total will be 10 marks. The very first is of this section, examine critically the character of Mr. Hardcastle. Hardcastle character. So this section is very simple because you are being asked here only about the character of Mr. Hardcastle, critical appreciation. Write a critical appreciation of Black's poem The Blossom. Okay, and the last one is, I will suggest you to answer this type of questions because this question is the simplest question. Johnson's views on Shakespeare's tragicomedy. Write a short note on it. Okay, Johnson's views, Samuel Johnson's views on Shakespeare's tragicomedy. And the last section, because it will provide you 30 marks in total. So here again you will be given so many options. 5 questions you have in this section and out of 5 questions you have to answer to only 3 questions and each question will provide you how many marks? Only 10 marks. Got? So the very first is, I think that last year the paper was really very simple because there is not any difficult or any complicated kind of question. The very first is here, the rape of the lock is the perfection of mock heroic. In In the simple language, you can understand this question like this, that the Rape of the Lock is a mock poem or mock epic, okay. So mock epic, that is heroic, the perfection, because the Rape of the Lock of Alexander Pope, it is supposed to be the best mock epic. Discuss critically. Then 10th one is give a critical summary of chapter 2 of A Vindication of the Rights of Women by Wollstonecraft. So again critical appreciation or critical summary or critical analysis of chapter 2. Okay, don't forget here you are being asked here to summarize chapter 2. Next one is discuss critically the character of Joseph Andrews. Joseph Andrews character, quote, it is a novel of Fielding. Critically examine Sheridan's play. Again very simple, The Rivals as a comedy of manners. So here you have to write simply the summary that The Rival is a comedy of manners. How? And the last one is again as an essayist, very simple question, discuss Joseph Addison as an essayist. So all these 5 questions are really very simple to be answered, and out of these you can sort out or you can choose any 3, because all of the questions are very simple. So now it depends on you, but I will suggest you that you can write here Joseph Addison as an essayist and character of Joseph Andrew, and that one is also, I think this is also the best question, The Rival Comedy of Manners. So all this paper was really very simple paper, okay, last year 2022.